Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make a moist and milky mango tres leches. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Take a large ripe mango. Make sure it's sweet. Then remove the flesh and blend it till you get a smooth puree. Take half a cup of butter in room temperature. Add 2/3 cup of sugar and beat it till it turns creamy. Then add an egg and beat for a minute. Then add the second egg and beat well for around 5 minutes. Now it has turned very creamy. Next add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And add 1/3 of the mango puree. Mix well until well combined. Then in a separate bowl, take 1 cup of flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix them until well combined. Now add this to the egg mixture little by little, and mix until fully incorporated. Then add 3 tablespoons of milk. Now add a few drops of yellow food color. This is optional. You will leave it if you don't like. Then mix it once again. Then pour the batter into an 8x8 baking tray lined with baking paper. Smoothen the top with your spatula. Tap it a few times and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick or skewer inserted comes out clean. Now the cake is baked perfectly. Line the tray with a plastic wrap and place the cake back in the tray. Then using a fork or toothpick, prick all over the cake. Now for the mango milk. Take 3/4 cup of milk powder, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 3/4 cup of hot water. And mix well until all the sugar and milk powder is dissolved. Then add half of the remaining mango puree and give a good mix. Now pour this over the cake. Although it may seem like too much milk, it will eventually get absorbed. So pour in all the milk. Then keep it in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours. For best results, keep it overnight. Take 1 cup of cold whipping cream. Beat it for 2 minutes, or until it forms peaks. Then add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and the remaining mango puree and mix for a few seconds. Now carefully place the cake on a serving tray and cut them into equal parts. You can cut off the edges if you prefer. Now top generously with the mango cream. Alternatively, you can also top the cake with the cream before cutting. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. This sweet and moist mango tres leches tastes even better the next day.